G'day, it's Yvonne here at Beerenberg Farm in the Adelaide Hills in sunny South Australia, and we're going to cook today our farmhouse chicken in the slow cooker. So first off, we're going to brown the chopped onion and the diced bacon in the pan for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to pop it into the slow cooker. Then in the same pan, brown the chicken and add it to the slow cooker. Now we're going to add some sliced celery, chopped mushrooms, sliced carrots, sliced leeks and diced potatoes. Then we add a jar of the Beerenberg Farmhouse chicken slow cooker sauce. Fill the empty jar with white wine and add it to the slow cooker. This will make sure we get all the goodies out of the jar into the slow cooker. Now give it a really good stir. Pop the lid on, 2.5 hours on high, or if you're going out, set the timer and cook for 5 hours on low. Now you have a delicious family meal that you could serve with some nice crusty bread. We've put all the hard work into the jar so that you can spend more time doing the things that you love. So bye for now from the Beerenberg Farm.